Hey guys, welcome to the ranch, or the shop at the ranch. Of course, when we have holidays and the kids come home from college or come to visit, we have usually a laundry list of maintenance items to take care of, and this time's no different. My daughter's here with her Honda Accord, and she told me a couple weeks ago the backup camera quit working. So let's take a look and see if we can get this thing fixed. Here's what's going on. Okay, so put it in reverse, and all we get is the yellow lines. So yellow lines, no image. So it looks like the camera is dead. Let's see if we can fix it. Show you. Here's the camera right here. And to get this camera out, looks like we're going to have to take this chrome piece off. So the camera is embedded in the under here. And to get to that, we got to take off some carpet. Used to, in my day, we needed a set of wrenches and some sockets and a couple of screwdrivers to work on cars, but nowadays you need plastic tools. So to get into this trunk lid here, we have to have one of these little deals. I'll link in the description here for these tools in Amazon, because if you got a modern car or in a car made in the last 20 years, you're going to need to use one of these to take off all these plastic panels. So to just take these off without destroying your plastic clips, the way this works is these little clips have a two-piece design. Okay, now once we get this off, let's get some light on the subject. Okay, right up in there, we got to get to those 10mm bolts up inside the trunk lid to take that chrome strip out. There's one. Looks like there's only two. Only two holding the chrome piece in. So if you can get under the trim with the plastic lever, ever so gently, the clips are all the way on the end, of course. There we go. Okay, unplug the camera. Let me show you. Right up in here is the camera. There's a little plastic tab holding it in. So just going to push that plastic tab while holding the camera from the outside. We'll get it out. And that was that. There's the camera. So this little plastic tab right here was all that's holding it into the steel body. So you just push in on the plastic tab. It's on the right side of the car, passenger side. All right. Here's the replacement part. I ordered this on Amazon. This is a cheap $40 camera. I'll leave the link in the description. This was a lot cheaper than the OEM. I couldn't get the OEM part. I think they were 200 and something, but they were out of stock everywhere. So we're going to go ahead and try this replacement third-party camera. First, let's look at the plugs. They look the same. Cord looks the same. Camera looks the same, roughly. Same little tab. So let's go put it in. See, so let's put the camera in. I'm gonna feed it, feed the cable, put the clip into the metal hole. So you can, you just feed the cable through, put the clip on the left side, push in on the right side. There's a rubber gasket that you got to compress to get it to clip. Once that's done, just plug it in. All right, it's in place. Let me go see if it works. And it works. So let's put it back together. Now, if you got one of these newer cars, you gotta probably invest in one of these. These are assortment of plastic fasteners. I got this on Amazon. I'll link it in the description. But you know, these things don't last from repeated use, so you usually have to replace them. So let me get this back together. Alright guys, that's going to do it. Let's go see if it works. Carpet back in. Trims back on. And we have backup camera. Everything's working. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. That's how I replaced my daughter's backup camera on her 2017 Honda Accord. $40, took me about 15 minutes, and now she'll safely be able to back up again. So thanks for watching. I'll leave all the links in the description. I'll see you on the next one.